Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Arma Reforger is having crashing issue. It is not launching or won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, low FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and even many more issues which is happening and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. So the first one is for about we have to do a simple restart. So to do a simple restart, sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issue. So we have to start with a simple restart. So just go over here on the game, right click, go over here and do a restart. Once the restart is done, just try to launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to launch the game from the installation folder, not from the Steam. So we would be launching the game from Steam. So that is the main issue why we are having. So we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So we just need to go over here at the game, right click, go to the properties, go to the installer file. And if you check, there is, as you can see, the game is installed on D. So just click on the browse. So right now you can see, if you check at the top, that is redirected to the installation folder. Now from here, you can go to the application. This is the application. So you can launch the game from here. So instead of launching the game from Steam, try launching the game from here. That is what we have to do. Or what you need to do is just go over here, just close the Steam, just go to the file explorer. Now from here, go to this PC, navigate to local disk D, go to the Steam library, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, go to Arma Reforger. Now from here, go to the application. So this is the application. So now we need to launch the game from here. That is also fine. Next one, we need to run the game as an administrator. And we need to run the game in the compatibility mode. So to run the game as an administrator, so just right click over here, go to show more option, go to the properties, now go to the compatibility and click on run this program in the compatibility mode. And now we need to go over here. As you can see, these are the options. So this is the first Windows 7, go to apply, or you can set this to Windows 8 and go to apply. Now from here, click on run this program as an administrator, go to OK. And once it has been set, just close this and go back and try launching the game. See if you're having the trouble. The next one is all about we need to make sure that we need to delete the saved game file. So just go over here in the file explorer and we need to navigate to the documents. Now from here, you'll be having folder like Rockstar Games, Dead Space, etc. Cosmic Client. So just get into the My Games. So if we have the folder for Arma Reforger like this, just right click on this one, go to the delete, and you have to delete it. Keep in mind, when you do this, you'll be losing all the provisions of the game. And once afterwards, just close this and go back and try to launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to window security. So just go over here, search for the control panel, just click on this one. And from here, just click on system and security, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Go to allow an app feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to scroll down and navigate to Arma Reforger. So as you can see, the Arma Reforger is added. Make sure you have to put a check on both the boxes, that is public and private. That is very important. So if you're not able to find the game here, just click on the change setting, go to allow another app, go to the browse, and we have to go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to the common. Now from here, find Arma Reforger. Now from here, we need to add the game. So once it is successfully added, just close everything and we have to go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is, we just need to move to the next one. That is all about we need to unplug all the USB devices. So we might be connected with a lot of peripherals. We might be connected with external joysticks or external, any of the devices might be connected. So just unplug everything. Once everything is unplugged, you can try launch the game. Next one is all about we need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here, search for system configuration. Just click on this one and we have to go over here, go to the services, go to disable or go to hide all Microsoft services, go to apply and go to OK. Now you have to do a restart. Once a restart is done, just try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties, make sure enable the Steam overlay while in game should be turned off and we have to launch the game. Stay if you're having the trouble, we need to give the commands and the launch option. So the first one is DX11. If BX11 is not working, we have to try with BX12. If BX12 is not working, we have to try with B3, B2. That is very important. So we have to try either BX11, or we have to try with BX12, or we have to try with B3, B2. So once everything is being done, just close this and we have to launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to close all the overlay application. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background. And if we check, as you can see under the background apps, there are 52 apps running in the background. For example, Discord, Epic Games Launcher, gaming services, all these are running. So when we are trying to launch these kind of game, we end up in a crashing issue. So just go over here, just remove everything. Go over here and go for the end the task, just remove it. Go over here and go to the end the task and remove all unwanted things. And once afterwards, just close this and go back and try launching the game. See if you're having the trouble, you can try next one. That is all about we need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for graphics settings, just click on this one, and we need to just go over here and we need to end the game. So just click on add desktop app. Now from here, we need to navigate to the installation folder. So just go to this PC, now go to local disk D, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, go to Arma Reforger and we have to add the game. So just go over here. Now we need to find this one. So just find this one and add it. So once you add it, just scroll down and navigate to the game, Arma Reforger. So we'll be able to find it. So we just need to find it over here. So the game is here. And you can just go over here and expand it. And over here you can see the GPU preferences is there. So change this one to high performance and we need to save it. Just close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the Windows. Make sure the Windows is up to date, which is very important. So just go over here, search for settings or navigate to settings. Now from here, go over here into the settings. Now from here in the settings, make sure the Windows is up to date. So if Windows is not up to date, so you'll be having the trouble. So just update your Windows. And once afterwards, just close this and go back and try to launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to the NVIDIA. So the users here just go over here, select everything, like you have to select GeoForce if you're on the GeoForce, select GeoForce 16 series if you're on the 16 series, select GeoForce GTX 1650, and if you're on Windows 11, select this one, and if you're on the English, select this one and go to find. And now from here, what we need to do is if you scroll down, you can see that we'll be able to find this. So if the system is based on Windows 11, download this one. If the system is based on this, so just download this version. So download this one and install. If you're on the AMD, just go over here, select everything graphics, and you have to select everything over here. Now just go over here and go to submit. And from here, if you're on the Windows 11, download this one. And if you're on the Windows 10, download this one and install. Restart is mandatory and try launch the game. And if you're on the latest version of Windows C++, so just go over here and you will be able to find the x64 based one if the system is based on x64. If the system is based on x86, download this one and install. Restart is a mandatory and try launch the game. Last and the least step is all about we need to try two important steps, which is going to work for it in most cases. One is we need to uninstall the game. So just go over here, go to the manage and uninstall the game. So when you're reinstalling it back, you should not be installing it back on the same local disk. You have to try either local disk A or you have to try local disk C. And the last one step, which is I'm going to show you a few more steps as well, but this is very important. That is we need to verify integrity of game file. So just right click, go to the properties, installer file, just click on the verify integrity of game file. So this is gonna fix every single files of a game because this is very important. So they're gonna cross-check every single files of a game and all the files. They're gonna check if any files are corrupted, if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So we need to wait because it's gonna take a little bit of time. So once afterwards, I'm gonna show you a bunch of steps that can be done hereafter. This can also be considered, which is gonna fix the issue up as well. Now, as you can see, all the wires of this is fully validated, which means we are fine with this. So just close this and try into the key. So these are some of the steps you can done, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, you don't forget to subscribe and click on these kind of videos. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section, so we're gonna get back to you. And don't forget to visit our website gameserrors.com. So see you soon next video.